Hey guys, this is Vonshae. I'll show you how easy it is to get accepted into programs that you don't have to pay for as long as you have your website set up correctly. Let's get started because time is ticking.
Did you know that you can make money by recommending products or services that you don't even own or provide? That's called referrals. Did you know that you can earn money each time someone completes a form on your website? That's called lead generation. Did you know that you can get paid per click, per lead, per sale, or even per phone call? This is called affiliate marketing.
Almost every major retailer has an affiliate program. This is Amazon's website. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of Amazon's page, you'll see the link that says become an affiliate. You can click this link and sign up to become an affiliate for free. The same with Office Depot's website. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of the website, over to the right, you'll see affiliate program, and you can do the same thing. There are other types of sites. For instance, this site here. This site has 2,730 advertisers in this site. As you can see, I'm approved to advertise for 215 of these advertisers. These people pay, some of them pay per lead and some of them pay per sale. So this opens another door for you to get access to be able to actually get paid per lead. You have to do a little bit more with these type of companies because you have to have your pages set up perfect for them to be able to approve you for these types of sites. Because they pay you every time someone completes a form, it's a little different than paying you for when people complete a sale. You have to be set up correctly to make this type of money with these type of companies. They have tons and tons of companies that are already set up and ready to pay you when you produce. Some people pay you $5 per lead. Some people pay you $0 to $40 per lead. Some people pay you $0 to $19.90 per lead. These say leads. This is different than a sale. A sale, some people pay 5%, some people pay 7%. All of the companies pay you different amounts, but for each company, you have to have your website set up correctly to be approved for those particular companies. They want to know that you have the knowledge and the skills to be able to advertise for them. This is what you guys will learn when you're ready to set up your website and get connected with the companies. You'll learn how to set up your website appropriately so that you can get connected with these companies that'll pay you for the lead. Although you don't need any money to get started with these programs, you do need money to start your website and get your hosting and your autoresponder. These are called the tools. The tools you need to run your business successfully. Here's the thing. When you begin to apply for these programs, the company will go to your website and review to make sure you're set up correctly. That's why you need your website and your hosting set up correctly so that when they go and review your website, they'll see you as a professional. This will make it easier for you to get approved to advertise for these companies.